Peppa Pig and the Silly Sniffles, Part 3. Don't worry, Pedro, says Peppa. I have another idea. Are you feeling better yet, Pedro? Asks Susie. Achoo! Achoo! Not yet. Achoo! Okay, I have an extra special treatment, says Peppa. Great idea, Peppa, says Susie. You are a very good doctor. Achoo! Sniff, sniff. Cough, cough. Peppa and Susie try again. They are giving Pedro a cast. But Peppa, says Pedro, I don't have a broken leg. I have a... the sniffles. Achoo! Sniff, sniff. But everyone wants to see inside Pedro's cast. Candy Cat draws a flower. Danny Dog draws a parrot. Zoe Zebra draws